So Uber is an example from B2C, which those are easier for people to get their heads around, so we often use those, although the same principle that I'll describe applies to B2B businesses as well. Because the basic idea is that we're not just introducing new technologies or changing the technologies that an organization uses, we're fundamentally transforming the business model and the culture and all of that. So with Uber, we can take the example of a taxi company, and taxi companies had access to all the same technologies that Uber does, right? They have apps for calling cabs, they have turn-by-turn navigation, they have credit card processing. It's not really a technology innovation that Uber won with, right? It's a fundamentally different business model. So just to give you some obvious examples, taxi companies own the cars, they have to repair the cars, maintain them, insure them, they hire the drivers, they have to pay them salaries and benefits and all that. Uber doesn't have any of that in its business model. Uber creates a platform where drivers with cars, it's not cars and drivers as separate things, drivers with cars can find people who need rides and they take a cut of the transaction. So it's a radically different business model. The thing is, when you own the cars and you hire the drivers, you're limited to the geography where those physical objects live. Uber refactored the whole thing, and so they were able to make, where a taxi company maybe is worth 10 million, Uber's worth 100 billion. And that's because they can actually get a cut of the business globally, whereas a taxi company is very limited to where they are.